culture, arts, and heritage between the government of Malaysia and the government of the Kingdom of Thailand. I have the honor to invite Her Excellency Sudawan Wamsupati Koson, Minister of Culture of the Kingdom of Thailand, and His Excellency Datuk Sri Utama Haji Muhammad Haji Hassan, Minister of Foreign Affairs of Malaysia, to proceed with the exchange of the memorandum. The second MOU is on the development of rubber industry and economic cooperation between the Malaysian Rubber Board and the Rubber Authority of Thailand. I have the honor to invite Mr. Sukatat Pangpiriakun, Acting Governor of the Rubber Authority of Thailand, and Yang Berbahagia Datuk Dr. Zarosani Muhammad Noor, Director General of the Malaysian Rubber Board. You may return to your seats. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we shall now proceed with the joint press conference. I have the honor to invite the Honorable Prime Minister of Malaysia to deliver his statement.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Dear Excellency, Madam Prime Minister of Prime Minister of Thailand, great family and friend of this, Deputy Prime Ministers, Ministers, it's difficult to give a formal, united welcome to Prime Minister Lincoln because he happens to be a family friend and we actually welcoming her to second home in this year. But of course we are delighted with her, although she's been in office for 4 months, she's done remarkably well with the team. I'm extremely pleased because it takes Malaysia an important friend and economic, political, cultural relationship with the key ministers. And I am reciprocated by the presence of the Deputy Prime Minister and a very large contingent of members of the Cabinet. Now the 7th annual consultation is timely because they will stop the excellent bilateral relations going through our excellent relations with former Prime Minister Tatis who I have agreed to appoint as my personal advisor, Chairman of ASEAN, with a team of members from 7 countries in an informal setup. And thank you for agreeing to this because we need the benefit of experience of such statesmen. And secondly, of course, to state that the continued bilateral relations all the time we were working well with former Prime Minister setup, even exchanges here in Bangkok, Phuket, in Phuket, which is spectacular in terms of our record of bilateral relations. relations, which has not happened before. So the progress, certainly huge progress in terms of the road alignment, CQS with and CIQ Sarah, and the construction of the second bridge, linking about Punjab and Nepal in Thailand. And this would, of course, enhance our collaboration, and even certainly many issues, water management and containing flood mitigation, from the Kelantan to the Golok, and the areas in the south of Thailand and north there, particularly Kelantan. We also agreed to support efforts to foster intra-ASEAN trade and joint investments that both the Ministers of Investment and Trade has agreed. We have the target of $30 billion by 2027. Can be seen to be very ambitious, but looking at the huge economic potential in Thailand and also Malaysia. That's some we need to work. We are committed, as I have already assured, repeatedly to leaders in Thailand in the past and now, that we will do whatever is necessary to ensure that the dialogue process with the southern border provinces of Thailand materialize and to then resolve to a joint comprehensive plan towards peace. And as agreed, this peace with development, so that will benefit, first to ensure peace, second to seek development both in South Thailand and North Malaya. Because the provinces in the north require additional focus investments, similarly with the provinces in the south. We have a common position on South Thailand's respective UNCLOS, whilst maintaining excellent relations with all countries. And what is also pertinent is our position on Myanmar. While we are committed to fully implement the 5-point consensus, we are taking measures to dialogues informally at different levels to ensure that Myanmar will participate and bring back Myanmar to the fore of ASEAN. Similarly, I want to thank Thailand for having the same position with Malaysia on the ascension of Timor-Leste as full membership member of ASEAN. They are working together hard to make sure that some of the conditions imposed are met with before we firm up the initial meeting of ASEAN, hopefully towards the end of May. So thank you again, my dear Prime Minister, for this visit, for this great time that we have had, and I look forward to collaboration with you, colleagues, and Thailand.
Thank you, Honorable Prime Minister. I now have the honor to invite Her Excellency Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Thailand to deliver her statement.
Your Excellency, that was very enlightening. The Prime Minister of Malaysia, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, first, allow me to thank His Excellency once again for the very warm hospitality to me and extended to my delegation during this introductory visit. We very appreciate everything that's happening right now and yesterday as well. So coming here is, for me, is very honored to have met you again and to talk about many things, the country issues and everything that we can work together for the good of both countries. And thank you for being so kind. So when I meet all the leaders, of course, it's sometimes I get nervous, but with you I feel like I can be I can talk or we can advise with very verbal comments. I'll take that along with my journey. So thank you very much. And the main purpose of my visit is to reaffirm the importance of Thai-Malaysian friendship and cooperation among a wide range of issues aimed at expanding and deepening our cooperation discussed a moment ago at the 7th annual consultation. I committed to maintain the dynamic of our relationship and our efforts towards common peace and prosperity, and Thailand support Malaysia for the ASEAN Championship 2025. So allow me to highlight a few areas of importance. So on economic cooperation, we will focus on our efforts to trade and invest for the border connectivities, digital economy and tourism. I also highlight the potential for cooperation on the rubber and tile industries that can work together so we can benefit both of our countries. So in addition, we will work tirelessly towards the trade target of $30 billion by 2027. For the border areas, we discussed that we need to address the flood problems faced by our two countries, and we will continue to work closely towards better border road and rail connectivity as well to facilitate more border trade and people to more interactions. And after the meetings, we witnessed the signing of two important MOUs on rubber and cultural cooperation, and certain this will help strengthen our economy and people-to-people relations respectively. And in closing, I invited His Excellency to have official visit to Thailand. I know that he's been to Thailand so many times, but I would like to invite you as an official visit to Thailand. So I will arrange everything